Toyota's name is synonymous with high-quality vehicles and for their impact on manufacturing. The tried and proven principles of the Toyota Kata are legendary for eliminating waste and friction, especially when applied to software development. It appears, though, that even thought leaders have breaches. Hello, this is Trac Bannon reporting from Camp Hill, Pennsylvania. A security researcher named Eaton Zveare discovered a backdoor into Toyota's Global Supplier Preparation Information Management System, GSPIMS. Eaton had some time on his hands and set about exploring Toyota subdomains. He deduced that GSPIMS web app was built using Angular. Using a commonly known Angular workaround, Eaton simply bypassed the login screen by manipulating JavaScript and changing Angular routes and pages. After removing the logout code, the real ethical hacking started. Eaton discovered a reference to a JSON web token. JWTs are often used to avoid a need to re-authenticate. Then he smartly guessed at a Toyota employee's email address, and in moments he had complete read-write access to the global user directory. He hit more pay dirt then by asserting himself as a system admin. From supplier rankings to confidential documents to user account details, he traipsed around the system. Complete global control. Thank heavens he's a good guy. While he responsibly disclosed this to Toyota, unfortunately for Eaton, his efforts went unrewarded. No bug bounty or critical issue reward to be had. Perhaps, not surprisingly, this is not the first cybersecurity attack. In March of 2022, a ransomware attack on a Toyota supplier forced 12 factories in Japan into a one-day shutdown. The hit to their output capacity was nearly 13,000 vehicles. Sometimes, even those we hold in high regard fall. You'd think in the case of Eaton, they'd at least say thanks. Check out the nitty-gritty details by heading over to 505 Updates for today's resources. Something to noodle on.
Search for and subscribe to It's 505 wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts.